Hello children, now we'll be discussing about the sample question paper for social science for the year 2020-21. The sample question paper has been provided by CBSE, and the social science code is 087. So we'll see what are the changes or what are the important things we should remember when we talk about the question paper pattern for this year, especially for 2020-21 batch. Let us see now. We'll see the question paper. So time allowed is 3 hours and maximum marks 80. And you have 5 sections of questions A, B, C, D and E. Okay, and there are 32 questions all. And all questions you are supposed to attempt. All questions are compulsory. And children, section A consisted of objective type questions, 1 mark each, 1 to 16, question number 1 to 16. And in section B, question number from 17 to 22, and each one carries 3 marks. And for this kind of question, 3-mark question, your answers should not be more than 80 words. But it is mentioned that it should not exceed 80 words. But there is no hard and fast rule. You can, if you have some valid points, few more points you need to explain, or few more points you need to write, you can do that. And section C is about 4 marks question, and this is called source based questions. Children, this means you will have a big paragraph and you have to read the paragraph properly, you have to comprehend, and you have to answer 4 questions from that paragraph. Mostly the questions will be of MCQ kind. So there would be 4 such paragraphs from 4 different areas of social studies, from history 1, from civics 1, civics I mean democratic politics 1, then geography and economics 1 each. And the paragraphs would be taken from your NCERT textbook. Now section D, the question starts from 27 to 31. Okay, this is long answer type questions. These questions will be the longest question type of like the answers you need to write is of 120 words, should not exceed, but it's mentioned should not exceed 120 words. Doesn't mean that you cannot write extra points. You can write extra point. And now we have section E, question number, the last part, that is map question. So question number 32 is divided into 32.1 questions from history. 2 questions will be there, 2 marks. And 32.2, the question from geography, map marking, 3 marks for 3 questions. So, and the last one is about the instruction. It is clearly mentioned there is no overall choice in the question paper. And some questions, only some questions you have internal choice, and you do not have internal choice for all the questions. Let us come to the section E, first section. You can find, okay, this section questions are mostly of MCQ type, but it is not valid for all the questions. You can find few. For example, question number 4, you can check fill in the blanks type of question here. And I'll show you another one. Yes, question number 10, define majoritarianism or define ethnicity. This question is from federalism, your power sharing. Okay, this is from power sharing. And your internal choice, the other question is about ethnicity, and that is also from same chapter, power sharing. So and you have a different type in the 1 mark also. This data is mentioned here. You have to check the data, you have to read the data, and you have to go for the most equitable distribution for this question. So you have to choose either A, B, C or D after going through the data properly. And yes, we have another, we also like a bit of information is given here, 3-4 lines, and you need to go for okay, based on the information you have A, B, C, D, and which one is most appropriate, correct option, that also you have to mention. So it is not exactly a simple MCQ type. Based on information you have MCQ, based on data you have MCQ, you have define and fill in the blanks. Okay, and you have choice here also, you have choice. So till question 16, and at 16 also you can find this 1 mark question in a different manner. You have 2 statements. You have 2 statements, students. One is called assertion, and the other one is called reason. Okay, and based on that you have options A, B, C, D. Obviously options are there, but statements are given, short paragraph is given, data is given. So these varieties are also available. And children, total in 1 mark question out of 16 questions, there are 4 questions where you have choices. Only 4 out of 16. 1 choice is from geography choice question, and 2 choice questions were taken from civics, and 1 choice question was taken from economics. So out of 16 questions, only 4 questions have choices. Let us move on to section B. Children, here question number, it starts from 17 onwards. 6 questions will be there. So 3 marks into 6, 18 marks. So 3 into 6 questions, so 18 marks. Here you can see, in 3 mark questions, out of 6 questions, only 2 questions have choices. You can see here, children, here. Okay, question number 18, question number 20, and the 3 mark questions in this category, 1 history question and 1 civics question is having choice. Okay, out of 6 questions, only 2 questions have choices, not all the questions. So, and when I talk about internal choice here, question number 18, this chapter is from nationalism, the rise of nationalism in Europe. And the choice question that another question is also from the same chapter, mostly from the same chapter. And in question number 20, you can also find the question is describe any 3 steps taken by the government towards decentralization in the year 1992, or describe any 3 federal features of Indian democracy. So this or this, and both the questions have been taken from the chapter of federalism. So the internal choice is from the same chapter mostly. So for 3 mark question, children, you have only 2 questions having choices, not all 6 questions. Moving on to section C, that source based questions. So each paragraph, big paragraph from your history, one from democratic politics, then from geography and economics. So here it is mentioned 4 into 4, 16. So question number 23, this is from history. Then you have all these questions here, 23.1, 23.2, and options are given based on the paragraph. You have to read the paragraph properly. So question number 24, also you have from geography, then you have from civics, from then economics. So section C basically was from 23, 24, 25 and 26 from source based, the source based MCQ questions. Now moving on to children, section D, there are 5 questions. So you need to explain in around 120 words the long question answers. Okay, and out of 5 questions, this 27, you have 28, 29, 30, 31. 5 questions are there. Here, out of 5 questions, you have 3 questions with choices. Okay, question number 27. Question number 27, this history question, you have choice also. And both the questions, choice question is from the same chapter. For example, 27, how did people belonging to different communities, regions and language groups develop a sense of collective belonging in the 19th century India? This is from Nationalism in India. Or question also about Swaraj, explain the meaning and notion of Swaraj as perceived by the plantation workers. So this is also from the same chapter. So internal choice is from the same chapter mostly. So question number 27 is having option, and 28 also is having option. Then we have 31 question. Okay, that is also you have choice. So in 5 mark questions, you have one question from history is having choice, then one question from geography, and one question from civics having choices. Out of 5 questions, you have 3 questions having internal choice. And the last part, children, section E, that is about your map work, skill based question, map skill. So 30 to 1, okay, 2 places A and B mentioned on the map will be given, and you need to write the name of the place based on the clue given here, statement given here. So for example, first one, the A is the place, the Indian National Congress session at this place in 1927. As you know that in 1927 the session was in Madras, so you need to mark Madras. Here what happens, the point will be given and the arrow mark will be given, only you have to write there Madras. Similarly B, Mahatma Gandhi organized Satyagraha movement at this place for indigo planters. The marking will be given and the arrow mark will be given. And this is about indigo planters, okay, the protest movement in Champaran in Bihar. So you need to mark Champaran. So like this. So then 32.2, the last part, there are 5 questions here. You have to choose any 3 for your geography. For your geography, you have to choose any 3 out of 5. This choice is also there for you. So, but the important thing here is, children, you have one map, only one map. So out of 5, you have 3. Here, there is no choice for history. 2 places clues are given, and those places are marked already there on the map. So same map, 32.2 you can find on the same outline map of India, locate and label. Here, when it is mentioned locate and label, that means you have to put the mark or dot mark or your any kind of symbol, star or anything, and you have to mention. You have to put the point, then arrow mark, you have to mention the name. Where or this place is already there, names are mentioned, where are they located, that particular point you have to put it on the map correctly. So that's all about the question paper pattern this year, students, for social science. Okay, so thank you, children, and please subscribe to my channel. So I'll be making more videos related to your social science, which would be very helpful to all of you. Thank you so much. Bye.